Hello viewer, I am Vivas Malik, and in this video I will share with you a method about how you can convert your text into realistic human audio for free. Don't worry, you don't need your credit card because this process is completely free. Already I had created a video about how you can create AI image in a free and how to use ChatGPT version 4 in a free. Please watch that video, the video link in this video description. Let's start the tutorial. Here you can see for this tutorial I have already created a text. I will convert this text into audio file and download in a free. For this I had do too much research and found these two platform is good to get audio. Just you need to go this lovo.ai and click on this sign up for free and sign up with your email address, or you can also use this second platform, that is morph.ai. These two platform will provide you real human voice. Let's convert this text into audio file and download in a free. In a first I will try this lovo.ai. Simply after sign up and verify your email address, click on this new project, then choose voiceover, click on this create button. It will open in a new tab. Just delete this default text. These are the default text. Replace this text into your text. Here you can see, and now we need to choose our voice. Here you can see a lot of voices are available here, but you can also select this according to your requirement. Sorry, maybe my internet is slow. Here you can see Jonah McDonald and Paul Robert. A lot of voices are available. You can also select this by male or female, or by language, by age, use case. Let's try this. Click on this select. Here you can see this text will be converted into this human body. We need to select, you can also select by multiple. Simply click on the image of people and select which sound you will like most. Click on then select. After that you need to click on ready to generate button. Here you can see the text are converting. After the text, all the text according to your requirement, click on this export. Just wait up 2-3 seconds because our text is not ready. Here you can see our text is just generating. You can also change all the text, all the block by single click. Just select all the block and click on this change voice, then choose your avatar. Suppose I want to use in all voice or in all block, just click on select. Now you will see all the block of text will change to this person. Now click on this export button. Type here your name. Suppose I am here typing text mp3. Click on export. You can't download from here. Here you can see, but here you need to do a small trick. Click on share button, then copy the link, anyone with the link, and copy this link. Here you can see a notification, quick notification link has been copied. Then go to this website. I will give this link in this video description. Paste here. It will automatic generating. Here you can see, scroll down, then our audio file downloading is in a processing. Please wait 10 to 5 seconds. Now click on this download button. Here you can see the text file automatically downloaded by this downloader website. This is our website. This is our audio file. Same thing you can also do with this morph.ai. Simply paste here your text. Suppose I want to convert this text into the audio. Paste here your text. After sign up, paste a script. Here you can see, select the person, click on the person. Now select according to your requirement or whatever you like. Suppose I want to discuss, click on select. You can also customize according to your speed or pause according to this. Then click on this generate audio. Here you can see our audio is generated from this IMA F avatar. You can also drag and drop from below to up like this. Now we need to click on this three dot. Then after convert all the block according to your requirement, click on this download script. Voice only download. Here you can see update now, but we don't need to pay payment. Click on share button, click on create share link. Simply copy this link, go to again this website and paste here the link. Scroll down, it will take 5 to 10 seconds. Here you can see our process on the way. Here you can see. Now click on this download button. This is our audio. Click on this three button and click on this download. Here you can see our audio file downloaded. I will give this downloader website link in this video description. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you found this video is helpful, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to reach first 1K subscriber and like this video. Thank you for watching video.